Are we ready?
Deb, can I have some of your pictures taken?
Okay. Debbie, you can't miss this. Wait.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Joey. Happy birthday to you.
Zoom out.
Mission accomplished.
Look at that little face.
And look, Joey, you got a Hercules toy.
All day he's been waiting.
Joey, you got a good sense of time in there.
Perfect.
Thank
You
you.
don't have to do it over
Okay,
again.
now I
Hey, keep your fingers away.
We'll go for a little while.
Say hey, Joe. Good idea.
It's time. That's Terry. She found it.
For camera?
A little
A
slow.
little late, but
A lot of people here.
Do you want me to spoon the ice cream, Terry?
that'll be fine.
Okay. Joey, do you want ice cream?
This is my second dosing of ice cream.
No.
Yeah, I will. You'll get that piece. Hang on.
This is my third dosing of ice cream this weekend.
Yeah, okay, we'll cut it out this way.
This is my third thing of ice cream this weekend. I ate some
Is
damn.
this Joey's piece?
Yes, I
Shall
my
we?
with that, James.
Oh, ice cream, honey.
I saw that. Yeah, and I hope they don't get a copy of this video before I get my wedding video, because that would be very
Yes, they will.
He's doing your video
No
this
editing
week. He took
involved.
vacation on.
I need a fork here. Fork, please.
Almost that thing.
Karen, ice cream with the cake?
Oh. When does a muscle ever heal?
when you get married. A long time to go.
I know, I'm not kidding.
We're not
I'm
either.
not either.
Ice cream?
Yeah.
Or are you gonna wait?
All right, Dory, give me
Terry,
a
this
smile.
cake is delicious. It's delicious.
Isn't it nice?
Very good.
I like that. Well, I have to admit, I like that.
Happy birthday!
Just to tell you that,
Oh,
you've
shoot,
been
I'm making
taped
a real mess.
singing the Teletubby song. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
You're 3 years old.
Want some ice cream? You got a
Uh-oh.
whole other container.
Uh-oh.
So, Janice, what you want to get when you go to Ireland? A puppy.
A puppy?
I'm getting one too.
So they're sharing a puppy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're going to call him Spot, aren't you, Joe?
No.
I hope he has a spot, or we'd have to paint him.
No. We'll check what he looks like.
Spray paint him.
We'll check what he looks like. If he doesn't have
Too much
you know
cake?
what they are.
Who was on
Belly
your cake? Tell me who was on your cake.
Orange is cut.
I know.
Where is
I
he?
got it! I got it! Well, let's do your face first.
That's good. That's definitely good.
Ouch! Okay, now your hands, and you won't be sticky anymore. Ouch! Is that hot?
Outs.
Oh,
There's Hercules, Joey. Mommy's got him. Look, and he's on the horse. Yeah, just like you wanted.
just like you wanted!
My feet are gonna
Joey did, taking off the
Oh, fingers were in there.
It's his cake.
You
He really
happy?
wants.
And
There you
did
go!
Terry, you also did.
How old are you? You gotta smile!
on, you gotta
Hey,
smile.
Debbie! You're 8! Yay! Great picture!
I'm blind, you can't
He
see.
wants to go to the present.
All right, he wants
Oh, of course
present.
it does.
Oh, yeah. All right, we